So I never recorded an intro for today. I didn't get a chance to, just too really busy with stuff. So the Z has a blown motor, so I'll make a different video for that. But let me know what you guys think about this replacement for the Z. So I'm gonna get straight to it. Just want to make a little intro. The motor's blowing on the Z, but I'll make a more detailed video about that for another video. But this video is going to be all about the replacement for the Z. So let me know what you guys think about the replacement.
Actually, that's 20 years plus.
Honestly, probably one of the greatest days of my life right now. I am lost at words. Lost at words. Cannot believe I'm about to drive this thing. I cannot believe I'm driving this thing. Honestly, I cannot believe I'm driving a freaking C7 Z06. A manual, 7-speed manual. Like, holy crap. It's so weird that it's a 7-speed. Let me try this. 7th gear. Oh my gosh. Shifting is so much shorter. There's nowhere near as much play as there is in the Z. Like, I went to third by accident, so it'll just take some getting used to. But oh my gosh, yeah, that feels really weird. But the clutch, you have to let off of it way more. Like it bites. The clutch bites way later than it does in the Z. The clutch has less play. This has more play. Don't stall, you're on camera. Oh my gosh. I was not ready for them to take off. Dang, that front end just lifts up on that car. Woo! This thing freaking gets away from you real quick. Oh my gosh. with this thing, man. It's too easy.